The container effects arrange allows us to arrange a series of containers in a circle and or wave. When we drag it onto our topmost container here, as you can see within our scene, we have a topmost container with 10 subcontainers in it. All of these container effects work on the topmost container. Within our container effects arrange plugin, we have several options, so we'll drag our container of cubes over here to the right and scale this down a little bit so we can see a little bit more about what's going on here. Within our container effects arrange, we first have our offset here. So as we adjust our offset, you can see that we can basically just spin this around in a circle. Because we have the shape here set to circle, we can also set this to wave, and when we come up to our offset and now adjust the wave, you see that it's going to follow this path in a wave fashion. We'll set it back to circle here, and then we have a scale percentage, so we can scale this up or down, and as you scale it, basically is spreading it out between each cube. Then we have a diameter below that. Decreasing it will close up the diameter, increasing it will make it a larger diameter. We also have a positioning here, relative and absolute. Depending how many containers you have and what you have within your containers, all of these settings may vary a little bit for you. Below that, we have a direction. We have a choice of clockwise and or counterclockwise. So under the direction, whichever it's set to means that when you come up to your offset, it's going to go in the opposite direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise when you adjust the offset percentage. Below that, you have an orientation, left, center, and right, and then also a rotation. You can rotate your containers within the scene here. You also have an align, which will align them to the circle or wave path, and then you also have your justified down here as well. So depending which shape you're using, the wave or the circle, you're going to get different options. Under the wave, you get your length, you get your height, so you can adjust the height of the wave. You have the width of the wave, you can adjust the width of it. You have a shift percentage and a dampening. Now to set the keyframe, you would just come up to your offset, start it where you want, hit set key, and then shift the offset number to wherever you need it, and then hit set key again, and you'll create an animation. And again, every time you just come in and scrub your timeline, then you can come over to the container effects arrange and make adjustments.